EF2 there. Storm Tracker Charles Peak joins us live from Paducah with a look at the recovery efforts this morning. Good morning, Charles. I know you were en route toward that tornado destination. What are you seeing this morning? Is there just a lot of cleanup?
This morning, Jim, they haven't quite got here started on the cleanup. Law enforcement still has this area cordoned off. A couple of media here, but I'm sure at first daylight they'll be out here getting started on the cleanup. They did get the main road here. It was closed all day yesterday. They worked through the night. This is a main road here that the church is located on, so they worked hard to get it clear this morning.
What type of damage? We're showing some of the video that you shot there, but what type of damage are you seeing?
Here at the church, on one part of it, the whole roof was ripped off, walls knocked down. Part of this was brick. It's over 50-year-old church, but it's very well built. Miraculously, the major part of the damage was on the opposite side than where the nursery is. But they had the kids in the cinder block safe room there, and they had the precautions in place. About 50 people here, but nobody was injured. The one injury was right across on this street out in front of the church where a grain bin hit a driver as he was driving down the road and flipped his truck, but he just had minor cuts there.
Hey, Charles, the fact that you mentioned earlier when I first asked you a question that the police have quarantined off that area, is that just because they still have to do cleanup, or is there potentially another search and rescue going on in there? Or they got everybody accounted for?
No, there's no search and rescues right now. Everybody was accounted for. There's just a lot of debris around here. We still have some pretty breezy conditions, blowing things, and so for safety and protection of the property, law enforcement are on standby here.
You know, Charles, I don't want to put you on the spot because I do know, being in the field, sometimes you roll up to a situation you haven't had time to really talk to a ton of people. Do you know if they did have sirens going off here?
I didn't hear anybody say sirens. Nathan, that you showed the video on earlier, he told me his phone went off. He did get the warnings there, and so they were able to get in a safe location. And everything I heard was from the phone's notifications through the warning system.
All right, Charles Peak, job well done, my friend. Thanks for talking to us. Enjoy the weekend off, because it doesn't look like we're going to deal with any severe weather.
Yeah, exactly.
At least this weekend.
Exactly. All right, Jen.